Hi, this is Kevin with KGM, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, with the PAC report for August 25th, 21. We are currently at 285 members, 269 free, 16 VIP. Tonight, I'm going to give an update on the Red Skull price, as well as I got some new information on the licensing from Disney on VeVe. But first, let's talk about the website real quick. It's a totally free website. You can advertise anything you want on it. You can advertise your YouTube channel. You can sell your shoes on it. You can affiliate marketing, and it's all 100% free. On the top here, I got a sticky bar that drops down on every page. That's updated with information that is important to you. So make sure you're reading that. Make sure you're doing your daily bonus points. And if you want, get a bonus ad because everybody who clicks on it will see it. Test your site. Make sure you're not wasting your credits. If it doesn't work on here, it's not going to work on the site. PAC report, that's my YouTube channel. You click on that to get all of my videos. You play the grid click game to get your free daily solo. It's the only way you can get it. And after you click on it, you're going to get a promo. If you send that promo to me, here's the grid click game right here. If you send the promo to support, I'm going to enter you that Hercules Plus free solo that I do every night. And that goes out to 170,000 people. Okay. You can get an ad here for $12 for 1 year or 3 for 30. These are also on the splash pages. So it basically goes viral. And there's also the viral ad code that you can put on your site that will also help it go viral. So as well as the 285 people, thousands of more will be seeing your ads. I got a special right now on VIP membership. It's only going to go to the first 100, $69. And hold on, I hit the wrong one. There it is. And once that's filled up, we got 84 spots left. Once that's filled up, then it's back to normal on all the other sites. There's a welcome promo down here that only about half of you have used. So make sure you enter that into the promo right here, redeem promo code. Now you get 2 solo promos a day. You get one in the mail, so check your spam if you're not seeing it, which has a ton of free advertising credits and stuff. And then you get the free solo when you play the grid click game. Play the free Steal Your Site. That's like a login, like a third login ad. Here you can get credits for viewing. Oh, also, if you're viewing the emails that people send you from Pro Advertisers Club, if you do at least 5, you get entered for a nightly one person or win another solo. And they also, you can win random solos for a total of 4 solos if you have a really good day. You can buy ads here with cash or credits. The affiliate tool's got the 2 new splash pages that you want to check out. They've really been doing really well with the signups. They're both advertised in the grid click game. Here are the 2 offers I got going on right now. And I just talked about the one. The other one's just a boatload of credits, like 2 million. If you got gifts to give away, use the gift slots. Okay. And make sure you can legally give it away. You got a downline builder here to fill out. Now, if you want a site like this, click on this right here and it will take you to Phil Marr's site. And he's got one already made up, or he can make you a custom made one, or he can sell you the script and you can do it yourself if you're any good at coding. Again, this site's totally free to join, totally free advertising, and that's pretty much it, what's going on with the site right now. So let's get over to the VeVe. This is what they dropped today, the House of X, and this is the uncommon cover. That's the common one. This one, which I don't care for, is the rare. Ultra rare is the action figure, and that one right there, that's the super secret. This one right here is the hot one. Everybody likes this one. It's also my favorite. but it's going for about $20 right now. And tomorrow is at 11 Eastern time, they're going to be dropping this one. This is a remake of the same comic they did back in the 30s. So that's what's going on tomorrow. I found out something about the licensing from Marvel or Disney, I guess you could say. It's good for 5 years. At that point, Marvel can decide to continue or go on for another 5 years. And then after that, it's in 10-year increments. So for at least the next 5 years or 4, depending on how much time is left when they start it, Marvel products will be on VeVe. Here is the Red Skull that I've been keeping you up to date on with the prices. And here is his current price. And actually, I did not put that in, but it is at 8-24. It actually dropped, and I think it's because of the drop. The 2 drops they've had the last 2 days, but it is currently selling at 155. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for supporting Pro Advertisers Club, and have a nice night.